There is such a high demand for Scrum Masters today. In fact, LinkedIn has over 154,000 Scrum Master job opportunities, and the demand is expected to rise by almost 40% in the next decade. In my career, one of the questions I get asked the most is how do I become a Scrum Master and where do I start? Hi, I'm Christian, Director of Program Management and Agile Coach. I led Agile transformations in software development and data teams in top Fortune 500 companies and startups. I'm putting together a bootcamp with a proven approach on how to become a Scrum Master. I want to help you with a step-by-step guide that not only covers the theoretical part, but provides a practical hands-on approach to successfully doing the job. Get on the waitlist and take advantage of the introductory offer when the program is released. Sign up in the link below.